Good morning, children. Here, myself, Purnima Dikshit ma'am, taking science. And children, today, from the platform of AGI, the most prestigious school, I welcome you all in the science lab. As we are going to do a practical, for this, I have come to the science lab of AGI, the most prestigious school. So, in today's class, children, I will explain you the process and the method of filtration. As in my previous video, I have already explained you through the board teaching. But for you to understand, today we are going to have a practical, a live practical for you all to explain you how filtration is done. As in my previous video, children, I have already explained you how filtration is done with the help of a filter paper. So for you all, I have prepared the board, and for your convenience, I will just explain you how filtration is done. So let's know, children, what is filtration first. Children, in this method, a filter paper is used to remove insoluble impurities. You must be thinking that what are insoluble impurities? Children, at times you must be knowing that the water is not clean all the time. Whenever you need to use the water, first priority is that you must see that the water is clean and pure or not. But for this, there is one method which is known as filtration for making the water clean. How filtration is done? Children, for this you have to use a filter paper to make the water clean. As I have shown you here with the help of a diagram. Here I have taken a flask, and in this I am pouring the muddy water. And with the help of this funnel, children, I am putting the muddy water in it. And when I am putting the muddy water with the help of a filter paper, you can see that the clean water is available in the flask. The filter paper first need to be folded in this manner, children. The filter paper is in a round shape, then we have to fold it into half, and then we have to make it into a conical shape. So when this conical shape is made, you have to put it in the funnel like this. And then when you are putting it in the funnel, you need to just fix it on a container. And when you are putting the muddy water in it, you will find that all the muddy things, muddy material, insoluble impurities are collected out here. And only the clean water is going to be poured into the container. So isn't it surprising and nice for you to know? So children, first thing what you need to do is take a circular piece of a filter paper, fold it into half, and then fold it in again to make it into a cone. As I have explained you here, the filter paper, folded it into half, then make a conical shape. Children, then put this into a funnel, put a flask below the funnel. Here I have shown you with the help of a diagram. Children, what next you have to do is pour the impure water through the funnel. We will see that the sand does not pass through the filter paper and is left behind on the paper. Clean water is collected in the flask. So for you all, I have arranged the practical which we are going to conduct in front of you. So here children, you can see first you have to observe what is a filter paper all about. See, this is a filter paper, children, which I am holding in my hand. As I have shown you in the diagram out here. So this is a filter paper, children. Then children, I have put this filter paper out here in a funnel. Folded it in this manner and arranged it in a funnel. Children, this is known as a funnel. And children, here is a beaker which is kept on the table. So here I am putting this funnel over the beaker. So you can see now the funnel with the filter paper which I have kept here. Now next children, I have arranged for sand which is here and a beaker which is holding clean water in it. And children, I am pouring the sand in this beaker. See carefully. And when I am pouring this sand out here, you can see that the clean water has become muddy. And here you can see the muddy water which is kept in the beaker. As the water was clean before, but since I have kept this sand with me, I have poured the sand in it. Now what am I going to do, children? With the help of this spatula, I am dissolving, I am trying to dissolve, but the sand is not going to dissolve because it is an impurity which can never dissolve in water. So what we have to do is, for making this water, the muddy water clean, I am pouring this water into the funnel which is having a filter paper in it. And I am trying to pour the clean water in there with the help of the funnel into another container. And children, what will happen next when I am pouring this muddy water in the funnel with the help of a filter paper? Soon after some time, I will get this kind of clean water in another beaker. You can see the filter paper is holding all the mud in it. Can you see, children? And with the help of this filter paper, all the mud has collected into the filter paper. Only the clean water has gone down below. Can you see, children? And with the help of this filter paper, children, you must be surprised to see that the clean water has come down and it is all clean and all the mud has collected in the filter paper. So isn't it interesting for you all to know, children? And I hope with the help of this filter paper, you have come to know that how the water can be made clean. Isn't it surprising and new for you all to learn? So try to share this content, children, what I have explained you with the help of this class today in the science lab of AGI. Try to think and see and try to share it with your friends and family how with the help of a filter paper the water can be made clean as it is holding all the impurities in it. And I am having clean water in my hand. So children, just go through the content, try to understand this practical which I have explained you in the science lab today. Since you are not able to come to the lab, so please enjoy this and try to understand and try to learn the definition of filtration, which says that a filter paper is used to remove insoluble impurities through filtration. So children, thank you for now. Go through the content and try to understand what is filtration all about. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.